Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be installing a tailgate brace in my Jeep TIOYAR. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So the reason why I want to install one of these is even though tailgate's pretty decent, but I want to just reinforce it a little bit better because even though I'm going to be running stock tires, the washboard roads will do this number on the tailgate, or kind of little obstacles as well, you know, going fast or whatever. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed and see how well it looks. So here's the brace. Obviously you could see it's actually not that thin. It's pretty thick for what it is. I did get it off of Amazon. I'll post a link down below. So you could see that it has the holes drilled out for the brackets, the original brackets. It has the bump stop for the tire cut out already, and then it has all the holes right in this area. So I already went ahead of you guys and started taking off stuff. So obviously you want to take off the spare tire, the T55s Torx, you want to go ahead and take those off. And obviously at this time you could probably scrub some of this off because you know that corrosion issue. So all these bolts right here, I took off quite a few of them. I'm using an impact, so I'll go ahead and use an impact so you could zip them off really quick. They're 13 millimeters. So I got all of them except for this one, and I'm about to pull it off right here. All right, so I got it off. I got the tire propped up below it. So you do want to be careful with this cable because obviously it's running to your rear camera, and if you bend it too much, it'll obviously lose the connection. So you don't want to bend it too much. So I have it propped up. It's secure. Obviously it almost fell just now. All right, now it's better secure. Luckily I was right there. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean this all up, and we'll install that. All right, so I used like a Mr. Clean magic eraser that I got off of Amazon. Kind of just wiped it off with some hot water, kind of cleaned up everything all the surfaces is going to stick to, and then now we're going to go ahead and slap this thing on. So this brace did not come with any instructions, but I'm going to guess. So this and a couple of bolts came in the bag, or obviously the bolts for this, 4 bolts and 4 of these. This is going to be facing inwards, so the tapered end is going to be there to match it up, because you could obviously see that that's tapered too, so it's going to match up like that. Then you put the brace over. The brace is going to go over this. Brace is going to go over these with this brace. Okay, this brace, then the bolts. Then after you have the brace on, then you can slap this back on. So let's go ahead and do that. And then, yeah, we should have a brace on there. So at this point, I did get all the bolts started now. I used a pry bar with a towel right here so I don't scrape up any of the paint. And then you just pry it up and you can kind of match it up with these lines, or match it up with the line right here. Make sure it's straight. I have to go up a little bit more, and then I could go ahead and tighten it down. So once you get everything all tightened up, this is going to be 35 foot-pounds for 5. These are 5/8 bolts. So they're standard bolts. For these 13 millimeters, they're going to be 25. And then for the spare tire here, it's going to be 59 foot-pounds. So it's all installed now. Got the spare tire back on there. It looks great. It holds the door a whole lot better. As you can see right here, I pull it out and it's pretty much moving the Jeep. So doesn't have any more play. Shuts pretty nice, pretty solid. Yeah. Only critiques is obviously the tire is going to be moving a little bit forward, but we don't have any issues of it flapping around. And then also right here, this bolt, that one right there, was hitting a plastic piece in there, so we just drilled a hole to make it slide in there so we don't have this protruding out anymore. Other than that, it's a great product. So hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.